Hello dear children, welcome to today's class. Today's thought is, a leader is one who knows the way, goes the way and shows the way. Now let us continue with the first chapter, geometrical constructions. So children, get ready with your notebook, textbook and geometry box. In the previous video, you have studied to construct a triangle given two angles and the included side. Now we will do practice set 4 based on the same. Construct triangles of the measures given below. Here the first example, in triangle SAT, length AT is 6.4 cm, major angle A is 45 degrees and major angle T is 105 degrees. Now children, if you look at the name of the segment AT, here measures of the angle formed at the end point of the segment are given. So first we will draw the segment AT as the base. Give the name AT to this segment. Here it is of 6.4 cm, so we will write its measure. Now angle A is of 45 degree, that is it is an acute angle. So we will show acute angle in the rough diagram. Now here major angle T is 105 degree, it is an obtuse angle. So we will show obtuse angle in the diagram. Now write the measures here, 45 degrees and 105 degrees. Here this vertex is S. So this is the rough diagram ready in front of you. Now we will draw the actual diagram. First we will draw segment AT of 6.4 cm. So start from 0, draw it up to 6.4. Now give the name AT to this segment. Write the measure below it. Now take a protractor. Put the origin of the protractor on vertex A. Now as we are taking the scale of the right, we will start from 0, mark 45 degree, put a dot for that. Now using ruler, join this dot with the vertex A. Draw the ray. Now here major angle T is 105 degree, so we will put the protractor here. Now as we are overlapping the segment on the left, we will take the scale from the left, that is 0. It goes up to 105 here, so put the dot for that. Now join them. Now give the arrow. As these are not intersecting, so we will extend them. Now here you got the vertex S. Now write the measures of the angles. Angle A is of 45 degrees, so we will write its measure here. Angle T is of 105 degrees, so we will write its measure here like this. Now this is the required triangle, so we will write here triangle SAT is the required triangle. Now we will move on to next example. In triangle MNP, length NP is 5.2 cm, major angle N is 70 degree and major angle P is 40 degree. Now again if you look at the name of the segment, measures of the angle formed at both the endpoints of the segment are given, that is major angle N and major angle P are given. So first we will draw the rough diagram. Draw segment NP as the base. Give the name here NP. Write the measure below it 5.2 cm. Now here major angle N is 70 degree. So we will try to show acute angle here. Here as we are drawing the rough figure, we will not take the exact measurement, but here we will try to show rough diagram. And here angle P is of 40 degree. So we will try to show 40 degree here. Write the measures here 70 degree and 40 degree. Now here this vertex is M. Now we will start with the actual measurement. So first we will draw segment NP of 5.2 centimeters. Start from 0, draw it up to 5.2. Now give the name to this segment NP. It is of 5.2 centimeters, so we will write its measure below the segment. Now major angle N is 70 degrees, so put the origin on vertex N. As we are overlapping on the left, we will start from 0, move up to 70 degree. Now join vertex N with this segment. Draw the ray, give the arrow, write the measure of angle N as 70 degree. Now Major angle P is 40 degree. So we will put the protractor on vertex P. Now we are overlapping on the left. So we will start the scale from the left, 0, 10, 20, 30 up to 40. Put the dot for that. Now join this dot with the vertex P. Give the arrow. Now here this intersecting point is vertex M. So give the name M here. Here the measure of angle P is 40 degree. So write here 40 degree. This is the required triangle MNP. So write it here. Triangle MNP is the required triangle. Now we will move on to the third example. Now let us go through the example. In triangle EFG, length EG is 6 cm, major angle F is 65 degree, major angle G is 45 degrees. Now if you look at the name of the segment EG, here the endpoints are E and G, but here the measure of angle F and G are given. So as we have seen one solved example on in the previous video, here we have to first find the measure of angle E. So for that we have to use the property sum of all three angles of a triangle is 180 degree. That is measure angle E plus measure angle F plus measure angle G. It is equal to 180 degree. Measures of angle F and G are given. So we will substitute the values here. Sum of 65 degree and 45 degree is 110 degree. As 110 is in addition on the left hand side, it comes in subtraction on the right hand side. 180 minus 110 is 70 degree. That is, now we got the measure of angle E as 70 degree. Now we will draw the rough diagram. Here we will take segment EG as the base. Here it is of 6 cm. So we will write its measure here. Now here angle E is 70 degree, that is an acute angle. So we will show here acute angle, and this is also an acute angle. So we will show acute angle in the diagram. Now here measure of angle E is 70 degree, that we have found it now. Now measure of angle G is 45 degree. So we will write its measure, and this is the vertex F. The measure of this is 65 degree. As we will not require measure of angle F in the construction, but still as the given part we will show it in the diagram. Now first we will draw segment EG of 6 cm. Start from 0, draw it up to 6. Give the name to the segment EG, write its measure. Now measure angle is 70 degree. So put the protractor on vertex E. Now we will take the scale from the right. It moves up to 70. So put the dot for it. Now join this dot with the vertex E. Give the arrow. Write the measure of angle E as 70 degree. Now we will take the measure of angle G as 45 degree. So put the protractor, as we are overlapping it on this side. So we will take 45 degree on the left. Now join this dot with vertex G. Now give the arrow. This is the vertex F. Measure of this angle is 45 degree. So this triangle EFG is the required triangle. Now last example of this practice set. In triangle XYZ, length XY is 7.3 cm, measure angle X is 34 degree, measure angle Y is 95 degree. Now again measure of the angles of the base are given, that is angle X and angle Y is given, and this is the included side of these two segments. So we will draw XY as the base. Give the name XY to this segment. Here the measure is 7.3, so we will take it 7.3. 34 degrees an acute angle, so we will show acute angle in the rough diagram. 95 degrees an obtuse angle, so we will show obtuse angle in the rough diagram. Now join these two. This will be the vertex Z. Now write the measures here, 34 degrees and 95 degrees. Now we will draw the exact diagram. First we will take segment XY of 7.3 centimeters. Start from 0, 7.3 is 7 centimeter and 3 millimeters. Now write the measures of this segment and the name of the endpoints. Now we have to draw 34 degree at the vertex X. So put the protractor on the vertex X, 34 degree, that is 30 from the left, 30 and the 4 little degrees here. Now join this. Give the arrow. Now we have to draw angle Y of 95 degree. 95 degree is an obtuse angle, so it should look like obtuse angle only. So as we are overlapping on the left, take the 0 up to 95. 95 will come between 90 and 100. Now put the mark, join it using ruler. Give the arrow. This is the vertex Z. Write the measures of angle X and angle Y. Angle X is of 34 degree. Angle Y is of 95 degree. Now this is your required triangle XYZ. So we will write here triangle XYZ is the required triangle. Now here we have completed with our practice set. I expect everyone will complete it in their copies with neatness and using sharp pointed pencil. Thank you.